Hi everybody. Ignore my तौलिया and आपको विक्स की भी बू आ रही होगी वो भी इग्नोर करना आप. I'm in a bad shape, so excuse my disheveled state. तबीयत ख़राब है, but this was very important. It has to go out today because tomorrow we are giving you the mocks. हमारे mocks हैं, we are proud of them and we want to show you how to handle the VRC section. उसका attempt strategy क्या होनी चाहिए. That is why I'm standing here before you. And I consider this important because if you do not have a good strategy for your mock, it's going to spoil your entire thing. VRC especially is the first section, you know that. So the first 20-25 minutes will set the tone for the whole test. Okay. Now, take a look here. Before the test, what are you supposed to do? Select a quiet corner. अब मैं कॉर्नर बोल रही हूँ तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बिल्कुल ही कॉर्नर ही ढूंढो आप जा कर के घर में. What I mean is it has to be somewhere away from distraction. आप ये भी कर सकते हो, म्यूजिक लगा सकते हो without lyrics. That is something that helps me concentrate a lot. Okay. Then set a target as this is your first mock. I'll tell you what I mean by that. Target क्या होता है? जैसे do not think that you are going to set a big target. 15 से 16, 18 questions first mock में. होगा क्या पता है? बहुत questions गलत होंगे. And then you will be completely demotivated. फिर आप सबके पास मेरा नंबर तो है. My inbox will be flooded on WhatsApp. You'll be like, ma'am, I took the first mock. क्या फ़ायदा हुआ मेरा इतना पढ़ के मेरा स्कोर नहीं आ रहा है. First mock है. First mock में please set a practical target. I would suggest 10 to 11 questions. Okay, and then you have to work your way up. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ CAT में आपको 10-11 questions ही देना है. You have to keep a target of 16 to 17 questions for CAT, but that has to be worked up gradually. Okay, tell yourself Rome wasn't built in a day. मेरे दोस्त, you have to work gradually towards it. Okay, start with a small target, say 11 questions in VARC in the first mock. करके देखो एक बार आप ये जो मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ. ये प्रैक्टिस, ये एक्सपीरियंस की बात बता रही हूँ आपको. It works wonders. In the first mock, if you are able to crack 11 questions with let's say 95-98% accuracy, 100 नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं, ज़्यादा far-fetched है. 95-98% accuracy से अगर आपने कर लिया, it's really and truly going to boost your morale. उसके बाद फिर you'll be like all set to take the next mock. So when I say a small target, what I mean is आपको ना पहला में आपने जैसे 11 रखा, उसके बाद आपका अच्छा स्कोर आया. अगले 2 मॉक्स में please stick to that. Okay, do not change. For 3 to 4 mocks, you have to keep one target. Okay, and then in the 4th or 5th one, like quietly sneak in one more question without your brain even knowing that okay, you are sneaking in one more question. Okay, वरना आपका ब्रेन ज़रा वो रिवोल्ट करता है. It says मैं नहीं करूँगा इससे ज़्यादा questions. ठीक है. So 11 to 12 in the first one, maintain that for 3 to 4 tests. Then sneak in one more question. Stick to that for the next 3 mocks. इस तरह आपकी accuracy solid build-up होगी. और आपको पता है हमारे mocks में AI analysis भी है. You need to analyze. Okay. Now, when the test starts, मैं VARC की बात कर रही हूँ. You know that. Right? Okay. Now, quickly check all the 4 RCs. भाई सही सीरियसली बात बता रही हूँ. ये many of you make this mistake. What do? आप स्टार्ट करते हो पहला RC देखा, उसमें घुस गए, उसके बाद 20 मिनट उस पर निकल जाते हैं. I'll show you some examples. ठहर जाओ आप. Pick the ones with higher readability and familiar topics. All the 4 topics, 4 RCs are not going to be bad and dense. Chances ये होते हैं there will be 2 RCs that will have dense language and 2 will be like okay, something familiar, something readable. Okay, so pick the ones. Keep a scribbling sheet ready the way I do whenever I take any test. Just write down on it RC4, RC3. स्टार्ट करना है एंड देन गो डाउन टू 2 and 1 or whatever way. All right. Then higher readability बता दिया मैंने आपको. Also check the question types. Avoid too many critical reasoning questions. There can be a passage which has 3 critical reasoning questions. Okay. 2 strength and weaken का, एक assumption का हो सकता है. ऐसा हुआ है पहले एक आध बार. I would avoid such a passage क्योंकि उसमें मेरा टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा खपने वाला है. ठीक है. Then the ones that will fetch you marks are what? इस पे ध्यान दीजिएगा ज़रा आप. Main idea. I have told many of my students how to locate the main idea with the help of a main idea exercise. जिन लोगों ने देखा होगा, सुना होगा, उन्हें पता है what I'm talking about. Main idea, tone, okay. Specific inference कैसा होता है? 2025 में भी आया है बहुत सारा. Like, what does the author mean by this sentence, or what can we infer from this sentence mentioned in the passage? Okay, हर साल आता है ये. I would pick those because इसको literally rephrasing का गेम खेलना है. एक दो एलिमिनेट हो जाएंगे एंड देन एक दो बचे उसमें go back to that sentence, rephrase कर दो. That's it. Rephrasing ही होती है वहाँ पर. ये है data based questions, like the author says, the question setter says, what does the author mean by this. मतलब कहीं एक specific जगह पे जाके आपको वो data लेना है. Specific questions उनको बोलते हैं, right? एक होता है भाई, what do you understand from the second and third paragraph, or what can we infer from the passage. तो ये vague हो गए. But data based वो होते हैं, the question says, what do you mean by this, or what does the author mean when he says this, right? तो specific वाले कोई भी specific data based questions जो होते हैं, try to pick those can be specific inference, those can be vocabulary based, कुछ भी होते हैं, but they connect with a specific zone in the passage. Okay. Summary बहुत आसान होते हैं summary questions. अभी मैं आपको example भी दिखाऊंगी. Critical reasoning with the claim given in the question stem. The question will say, how would the author, or how would you weaken the claim that something. So the claim is right there. Very often it happens that I don't even need to go back to the passage in order to weaken it or strengthen it. क्योंकि claim तो वहाँ दिया है, आपको बस उसके opposite जाना है. समझ रहे हो? Okay. Allocate time for RC versus VA. कैसे? जैसे एक जनरली मैं एक बात बोलती हूँ स्टूडेंट्स को, अपना पेपर को ना 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया करो. 20, 10 and 10. That gives you command over the paper. आप उसको 30 और 10 भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है. बट 20, 10, 10 में क्या होता है? 20 minutes में आई एम गोइंग टू सेलेक्ट द लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट्स, द ईजिएस्ट वंस. क्या अगर मेरा टारगेट फर्स्ट वाले मॉक में 11 क्वेश्चंस का है, तो क्या मैं 20 मिनट में 7-8 क्वेश्चंस नहीं निकाल सकती हूँ? 7 क्वेश्चंस नहीं निकाल सकती हूँ 20 मिनट में? अगर 20 मिनट में 7 क्वेश्चंस भी नहीं निकाल सकती हूँ, वो भी ईजिएस्ट वाले, तो क्यों देने जा रही हूँ मैं कैट? ठीक है. सो 20, 10, 10 ये मिनट्स इस तरह डिवाइड करना. ऑल्टरनेटिवली यू कैन डू 30 and 10, दोनों में से कोई भी चलेगा, बट डिवाइड ज़रूर करना. और व्हेन आई से RC एंड VA, आप पहले सब RCs हैंडल करके VA में जा सकते हो, और you can do 2 RCs, take a break, go to VA, come back to RCs, or you can simply take your paper the way it is given there. Scroll. ये नहीं करना, ये करना, ये नहीं करना, ये करना, मर्जी है, लेकिन keep moving at a fast speed in the first 20 minutes, because the first 20 minutes tell you that you have to pick the easiest ones from the whole lot. Got it? I hope this is clear. I need to tell you this. 31st July, that is tomorrow, we are giving you the mocks. इसलिए हमारा, और अच्छा, मान लो आप ये बाद में देख रहे हो इसको, ठीक है? That doesn't mean that you won't get the first mock free. We are giving out the first mock free. So even if you're watching my video later and then you enroll for the mocks, it's perfectly fine. Okay, even then you're going to get the first mock free and 6 sectionals free. 6 sectionals बोले तो 2 of VARC, 2 of DILR and 2 of QA. ठीक है? Please register now. because as I said earlier, our mocks are pretty good and we have been working hard for these mocks. Actually, we are proud of these. आप एक बार दे के देखो, आपको खुद समझ में आ जाएगा what I mean. Okay. Now, I'll show you something here. CAT 2025 का slot 1 लिया है मैंने, just to exemplify what I have been saying. Fourth passage had very easy questions. आपको यकीन ना हो तो आप ये एनालिसिस लेना, उठ के आप देख लेना निकाल करके. CAT 25 का slot 1. Fourth passage had very easy questions. Okay. First passage was totally dense. So many students would have gotten stuck on the first passage. उस passage dense था, उसके अलावा even the questions were pretty tricky and the options were very long. Okay. तो जो बच्चा डरता है RC से वो questions देख के तो वैसे ही stumped हो जाएगा, है ना. Third passage looked dense but had easy questions. Second passage had easy questions. So what was your work if you were taking such a paper? आपको ये देखना है यहाँ पर second passage, right? First passage को हटा देना है किनारे. Fourth, so 4 and 2, I would write on my scribbling sheet 4, 2, 3 and 1. 1 में से कुछ एक आध easy questions pick कर लेंगे. So after checking these 4 RCs, I would have decided on my strategy, something like 3, 3, 3, 1. Okay? Passage 2, 3 and 4 में से 3, 3, 3 निकाल लूँगी and passage 1 में से एक. 10 questions और VA में से एक क्वेश्चन निकालना है, ठीक है. ये assuming that this is there in the mock, ये ऐसी बात कर रही हूँ मैं, ठीक है. Second passage ये हो गया. Both short summaries were very doable, very 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 doable. उस पे टाइम लगाना था. Both the parajumbles were confusing. देखने में ऐसा लग रहा था कि हाँ पेयर्स मिल जाएगा, बट दोनों ही बहुत बेहूदे टाइप थे. Okay. Now, some basic things to remember. Passage selection is important, as I just explained clearly. Process of elimination, I will give an example, I will just hang in there. Okay. This is very, very important. Process of elimination will save your day, I'm telling you. Smart reading, I have said this umpteen number of times. In CAT, you really don't need to read everything word for word. Had this been ZAT, I would have said read the passage. Every word you have to devour. Okay. But for CAT, it's a waste of time. You really need to pick the important points from certain zones and spend more time on the questions. Okay. ZAT में ऐसा होता है कि एक बार आपने passage पढ़ लिया, फिर आपको वापस जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. You can easily eliminate in ZAT. Okay. Then, don't get lured by TETA questions. As I mentioned earlier, आपके दोनों पैराजम्बल्स CAT 25 slot 1 में ट्रिकी थे. टीटा है ये सोच करके हम करते चले जाते हैं. Okay, but without realizing we end up wasting 5 to 6 minutes on one question, and even then there is a chance that we are going to get it wrong. Okay, so please don't get lured by this. When left with two choices, try to prove one. ये process of elimination जो मैंने पहले बोला ना, generally when you are eliminating, two options will get eliminated by applying some techniques जो आपने मेरे साथ पढ़ा है. When you are left with two, don't try to eliminate further. That is where you go wrong. Between the two, you like something. दोनों में से एक कोई पसंद होगा. Take one. Go back to the passage and try to prove that from there. Okay? Rephrasing का game. बस ये word मेरा आप याद रखना. Rephrasing. अगर आपका vocab थोड़ा सा भी है ना, इतने level पे भी है ना, you'll be able to rephrase. और सारा game exams में rephrasing का होता है. ठीक है? अभी जैसे एक ये मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको. This was in passage 1. I said earlier, passage 1 had ugly questions. Passage 1 itself was dense. Okay. But there was this summary question in that passage. Why am I showing you here? That even if the passage is ugly, okay, even if it's dense, there will be one question that you can pick. I have always and always and always seen this. 2017 से 2025 का हमारा repository मौजूद है CAT का. You can pick and see. कोई भी उसमें गंदा पैसेज हो, एक क्वेश्चन डुएबल होता है. This was the question from that passage. I'll show you how. Summarizes the passage. ठीक है. Always ये दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ. Always. हाँ, ये देख लो आप. Always दिख रहा है. Mark them with red flags. All right, ये है यहाँ. Explains how this and shows why this. Okay, normal लग रहा है. Social outcomes generally. ये दोनों देख के इनको मैं रेड फ्लैग मार्क करके रख दूंगी. समझो यहाँ मैं करना क्या चाह रही हूँ. इतना बड़ा मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगी. पैसेज मुझे गंदा लगा है. ये दोनों दिखे मुझे. Okay, mark with red flags. I'm left with these two, 2 and 4. Now, between these two, which one looks more balanced? Okay, it is 2. Fine, because here cannot arise in technology mediated and health adaptation is exclusive. Again, the language is slightly extreme. Not sure, but slightly extreme. So, how do I save time? Instead of proving this, I try to keep this. इसको लेकर के मैं prove करूँगी from the passage. सब सही बैठ रहा है. मेरा 1.5 मिनट या जो भी लगेगा उतने में मेरा आंसर आ जाएगा. Hope this is clear. One more. Which one of the following observations would most strengthen the passage's claim that a first... वही slot में ये एक question था. Critical reasoning जो मैंने आपको बोला ना, अगर claim वहाँ दिया हुआ है आप कर लेना उसको. I'll show you how. Would most strengthen the passage's claim that a first order tail event raises the probability of further tail events. Take this tip here. आपको जो वो claim बोल रहा है ना, बस वो समझ लो क्या कह रहा है. ओके वो कह रहा है फर्स्ट ऑर्डर टेल इवेंट. आपको नहीं पता टेल इवेंट क्या, जाने दो. ओके आप पैसेज से पढ़ लोगे वो अलग बात है, लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर मान लो नहीं मालूम, जाने दो. raises the probability of further tail events in complex systems. We know that he's talking about complex systems. First order tail event leads to further tail events. What he's trying to say, they are connected. This much you should understand as a CAT aspirant. These are connected, right? Now, initial super spreading are isolated. You see this? Major this, find dense clusters, okay, for several weeks with extreme days occurring far more often. They are connected. River discharge records show water levels fit a normal distribution, okay, with thin tails regardless of, okay. Following large earthquakes, seismic activity returns to baseline within hours with no aftershock sequence. तो 4 और 1 तो ऐसे ही उखड़ गए मेरे. ये देख रहे हो आप, ये था. So sometimes we just get intimidated by the options. Keep your calm and do your calm. That's what I tell you. तो इस तरह का कोई भी critical reasoning question हो जिसमें claim वहाँ दिया हुआ है, उसको समझो and then try to weaken it, go against it, or if it is to strengthen, support करो उसको. ठीक है? I hope this is clear. Okay. That was it. इतना ही है, ठीक है. और once again I'm telling you, it's not that scary if you actually have a clear strategy. So go with a practical, a humble target in your first mock, and God willing, you'll be able to work your way up. But the main thing is confidence, the feeling that I can do it. If in the first test itself, somebody comes and kills my confidence, how do you think I'm going to work in the other mocks? मेरा तो totally हो जाएगा, हवा निकल जाएगी, and I'll be like, नहीं देना है मुझे और mocks, right? So just keep this in mind and you're going to do great. Register today.